Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Linkody for backlink monitoring and alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Linkody website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Enter your email address and set a strong password. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Linkody. Click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Once activated, log in to your Linkody account. On the dashboard, look for the option to add a new project. Input your website's URL in the designated field. Choose the frequency of your backlink checks. Next, enter the keywords you want to monitor for each project. Select any additional settings based on your monitoring preferences. After filling in the details, click on the Create Project button. Linkody will start scanning for backlinks associated with your site. You will receive alerts for any new or lost backlinks. To set up alerts, go to the Alerts section in the menu. Choose how you would like to receive notifications. Select Email alerts for immediate updates or summary reports. Adjust the frequency of these alerts according to your preferences. Save your alert settings to finalize the process. Now, you'll be able to monitor your backlinks effortlessly. Visit the Reports section to view detailed statistics. Explore the insights to improve your SEO strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.